Starting around 27 July 2023, Bitgert in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.00000033 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.7% in especially most recent 1 hour in a really significant manner. Brise by and large has a genuinely all-out market cap of $131,111,348, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,047,577, or so they generally thought. This really makes Bitgert, Brise, sort of positioning at 169 in the digital money market, exhibiting that this makes Bitgert, Brise, essentially positioning at 169 in the digital currency market in a genuinely large manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert generally be somewhat worth in 2023? Which is genuinely huge. Is Bitgert a truly wise venture or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023? Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Will Brise cost generally outperform its untouched extremely high in a truly significant manner? These are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2023, as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Brise cost for the most part is supposed to, in a real sense, cross an especially normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal certainly least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0.00000034, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Besides, Brise can especially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.00000039 in a genuinely large manner. Bitgert value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitgert by and large is supposed to especially be at around a sort of least of $0.00000028. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert cost can by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $0.00000032, with the especially normal cost of $0.00000031 in United States dollars in a for the most part huge manner. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert for the most part is supposed to generally be at around an especially least of $0.00000030, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitgert cost can especially arrive at a truly limit of $0.00000033, with the typical cost of $0.00000032 in United States dollars, showing how starting around 27 July 2023, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0.00000033 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.7% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Bitgert in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000031 and $0.00000035, which especially is genuinely critical, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000032, or so they fundamentally thought. Brise value figure October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Bitgert is supposed to for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $0.00000032, which really is very critical. The Brise cost could generally arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.00000036, with the very normal cost around $0.00000033, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, The cost of Bitgert certainly is supposed to explicitly be at around a truly least of $0.00000032, showing the way that Bitgert cost can by and large arrive at a very limit of $0.00000032, with the very normal cost of $0.00000031 in United States dollars, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $0.00000038, with the typical cost of $0.00000034 in United States dollars, in an extremely significant way. Bitgert, Brise, Value Conjecture December 2023. The Bitgert, Brise, cost for December 2023 may especially arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00000034, while the genuinely most extreme determined cost is around $0.00000039 and in every way that really matters, significant way. The sort of typical cost for Brise for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to reach $0.00000035 in December 2023. Bitgert fundamentally passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been basically diminished by 0.3% in its in every practical sense current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. Assuming that we basically look at the sort of current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in a truly significant manner. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Brise truly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 27.42%, which certainly is very huge. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for genuinely of potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute. So assuming that we certainly look at the sort of current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap basically is likewise down, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise truly diminished by 32.378%, killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.00000016 from its extremely current worth. So Brise Value Conjecture October 2023, concerning October 2023. Bitgert sort of is supposed to sort of arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.00000032 in an exceptionally enormous manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a kind of really great in every practical sense purchase and open door for fast speculation, exhibiting how this sort of makes Bitgert, Brise truly positioning at 169 in the digital money market, showing that this certainly makes Bitgert, Brise, especially positioning at 169 in the cryptographic money market, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitgert Value Conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Bitgert sort of worth in 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Brise cost for the most part is estimated to, in a real sense, arrive at a greatest degree of $0.00000039